Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The forms from total 2 candidates, so the 3 nominations have been received, but 1 candidate has filed 2 nominations. Total only 3 nominations have been received as of now. First of all, we will see to it that everyone who comes here wears a mask and the sanitizers are also used. We will also provide at the door sanitizer to be used. And again, everyone has to take his own precaution, saying that suppose if he has any symptoms, then definitely he should go to the nearest health center and get himself tested.
And if he again comes, if purposely tends to come.
Knowingly, if somebody violates the rule, that is knowing if he knows that he is positive, and despite of that if he is violating the rule, then definitely action will be taken against him for violating the government order. Whatever deemed fit action is there, that will be taken as per IPC.